Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. Sorry for the inconvenience. There was some technical error, so we had to stop the live streaming in between. I had to start all over again. I'm happy to announce that the registration for the webinar Options Unlocked crossed 25,000. And the Options Unlocked webinar is sponsored by Bombay Stock Exchange of India, Investor Protection Fund, and hosted by elandmarkets.com. So if you have not registered, please register. The registration link is given in the description page. Right. Now let us come back to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. What happened last week? The week before last week, Nifty traded in a very wide range of 9,500 to 10,350. And that was mainly due to the global cues. But last week, there was not much global cues, but we had some local cues that affected our market severely. On Tuesday, there was a news report that there was some problem at the India-China border and the market fell to 9,700 but recovered and closed around 9,900. The next day, once again, markets shot up and global cues supported the recovery. We briefly crossed 10,000, but in the afternoon, Prime Minister spoke in the television and his speech was largely misinterpreted by some market participants, and the Nifty fell nearly 150 points within half an hour of PM speech. And the next day, the Prime Minister once again spoke in the television and highlighting the economic progress, and the markets started recovering and very fast, and it closed above 10,000. And the FIIs also, after selling continuously in the last 2 days of last week, so they have turned net buyers. In fact, on Friday, they bought for more than 1,000 crore. And in addition, the Reliance Industries has become the star of the week. Reliance Industries announced that they have become debt-free company after a lot of investors pumped in a lot of money, and Reliance Industries also announced during the next 5 years they are likely to come out with public issue for both Reliance Jio as well as Reliance Retail. Reliance Industries has almost doubled in the last 2 months. In the month of March, it hit a low of 875 and on Friday hit a high of 1685. And last week, both Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv also did extremely well. And all the private sector banks also started recovering. So therefore, the overall sentiment towards the end of the week was very, very positive. But what we can expect next week? Number one, we are in the upper end of the trading range. So I don't think that market will be moving significantly higher from here, and there will be some profit booking. And there was a huge addition of open interest at 10,400 and 10,500 call options. So therefore, as I said earlier also, for this month I said the range is 9,500 to 10,500. So 10,400, 10,500 region is going to be a stiff resistance for the coming week. But what about the support? There was a huge addition in open interest at 10,000 put option. And though that is not the highest open interest, The highest open interest continued to be 9,000. Now, because of this margin benefit, there is a lot of action happening in the far out of the money options. So therefore, that may not be a true indication. So somehow I feel that 9,800 will be a very good support for the next week. So that is why I sold 9,800 put option and 9,700 put options aggressively for the coming week. And many people are requesting to give a range for Bank Nifty also. I try to avoid trading in Bank Nifty because that is a highly volatile index. But however, for the coming week, I feel that 19,500 will be a very good support. So therefore, I sold 19,500 as well as 19,000 put option also aggressively. And 23,000 call option was also trading at a good premium. So yesterday I sold 23,000 call option also for the coming week. So Bank Nifty we can expect somewhere between 19,500 and 23,000 for the coming week. And Nifty we can expect 9,800 to 10,400. So that is my view, but please remember I have right to be wrong. So these ranges which I am telling, so they all is my personal opinion and I may be going wrong. So please take your financial advisor's advice before taking any position based on this view. And thank you for watching. We will come out with the next video next Sunday. Thank you.